Your search for the perfect place to stay in London ends here. Welcome to Canvas Walthamstow, a charming home that's ready to redefine your idea of comfort and style. Whether you're after the privacy of a studio or prefer the vibrant atmosphere of ensuite rooms, Canvas Walthamstow offers the perfect option for you. Both choices come fully furnished with modern touches that make you feel right at home. But that's not all. Say goodbye to everyday stress with on-site laundry, social spaces, and study rooms with lightning-fast Wi-Fi. Unwind in the gym, enjoy movies in the cinema room, or relax on the roof terrace, all right at your doorstep. Plus, with utility bills included, you'll enjoy a hassle-free stay and save money. Location is everything. Charles Bacqueve International University and the College of Haringey are just a short distance away. Hungry? Explore nearby restaurants, cafes, and bars. The fun never ends. Grab a coffee at DJ Brew or stock up on groceries at Tesco Express, just around the corner. Plus, with Black Horse Road Station nearby, commuting has never been easier. So, what are you waiting for? Visit amberstudent.com and make Canvas Walthamstow London your new home today.